Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your LinkedIn application, then go to your profile from the top left corner. Then click to View Profile. From there, click to Add Section and click to Add Profile Photo. Use a visually appealing photo with a professional headshot and appealing background image that complements your profession or brand. Then, add a headline with a 120 characters that craft a clear, concise headline that showcases your valuable proportion, including relevant keywords and your current job title or position. And also add About section with 2000 characters, which highlights your key skill, experience, and career aspiration. Then, in experience section, focus on quality over quantity. Do not list every job you ever had. Prioritize relevant experience that aligns with your career goal. Then, quantify your achievements. Then, use a strong action verb to describe your responsibilities and contribution. Then add relevant skills including mix of hard skill and soft skill. Then add publication, courses, projects and accomplishments of your. By following these steps, you can create a compelling LinkedIn profile that showcases your value and helps you achieve your professional goal. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.